In this video, I will tell you how to fix Bybit app no network and internet connection problem. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Bybit app. Now tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage option and clear cache. Now clear data and OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Now here tap on search button. Now tap on search bar and search for Bybit. Now tap on here and simply tap on update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.